How cool is that? All right, speaking of cool, I do want to talk about July. Now that the month is over and we're in August, we're actually looking at some of the numbers overall. And July of 2025 is actually ranked as the 46th coolest July on record. We had a lot working for us as far as temperatures. We had the rainfall that came in, a lot of cloud coverage that moved through. We had a front that came in a couple of days ago, and that also helped out our temperatures. So when we mix all that in together and we talk about mean temperature, we're talking about your average is a high and a low. So that's why you see 84 degrees, and you're probably thinking, well, wait a minute, we had a lot of 90s in there. How can our mean temperature be 84? But that mixes in your low for the day and your high for the day. And overall, we ended up just below 2 degrees from actual normal temperature for the month of July. And it ended up being the 9th wettest overall. And we actually hit that mark as we got into the second week of July because of all the rainfall that had come in. Total rainfall is just over 6 inches, which is around 4 inches above normal. So when we look at August, unfortunately, that is the hottest month on year on average. So we'll continue to see where that ends up ranking as we go along. As satellite and radar right now, we're still seeing clear skies. Temperatures moving up, 88 degrees right now. As we zoom out a bit more, there's some rainfall along the coast and some cloud coverage, but we have some more rain that's building up out towards Waco, trying to make its way down into central Texas. We're getting some of that moisture that'll flow back in, that high pressure shifting off out towards the west. Moisture will flow back in, and that'll allow for us to see some rainfall as we get into the afternoon, especially as we get some of that daytime heating in. Already at 90 degrees at Lockhart, Giddings, LaGrange, 91 in Flatonia and Rockdale, still in the 80s as you reach out towards the hill country out there. Play this out as we go into the afternoon. I stopped the clock here at 3:30. This is our HRRR model. This one's saying you're going to see some rainfall. Not a lot at 3:30, but look at what happens as we get to 5. Widely scattered. Look at what happens as we get to 7 into 8 o'clock. Better chance of rainfall there. By the time we get to about 11 p.m., things should calm down. By Saturday, we'll almost repeat the same thing. You may get a passing shower or two Saturday, but as we get Saturday in the morning, but by Saturday afternoon, we still have plenty of showers that could build up along the area. Some heavy downpours that are a possibility. So when we look at it all together, we're keeping about a 30% chance of rainfall for tomorrow. 99 degrees is a high, but we could hit triple digits there as well, keeping us within those upper 90s through Sunday into Monday. And as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, things dry out and temperatures hitting about 99 degrees.